Imagine standing in the midst of the African savanna, witnessing the grandeur of the majestic elephants, the true embodiment of nature's raw and untamed beauty. These colossal creatures, with their towering size and quiet dignity, play a pivotal role in the ecosystem, shaping the landscape around them. They are revered symbols in many cultures, embodying strength, wisdom, and longevity. Their presence commands respect. Their lives weave a compelling narrative of survival and coexistence. Embark on this expedition with us as we delve deeper into the world of these magnificent creatures. Africa, a land of diversity, teeming with an array of wildlife, offers a unique opportunity to observe elephants in their natural habitat. Here, in the heart of the world's second-largest continent, you can embark on an unforgettable journey to explore the habitats of these majestic creatures. The African expedition is a kaleidoscope of experiences, with countries such as Botswana, Kenya, Tanzania, and South Africa being particularly renowned for their elephant populations. Each of these countries boasts national parks that serve as safe havens for elephants, where they thrive in their natural ecosystems. Botswana's Chobe National Park, for instance, is home to the largest elephant population on the continent. Kenya's Amboseli National Park offers stunning views of elephants against the backdrop of the mighty Mount Kilimanjaro, while Tanzania's Serengeti National Park and South Africa's Kruger National Park are teeming with elephant herds. Planning a trip to these breathtaking destinations is an adventure in itself. The best time to visit largely depends on the country and the park. For example, the dry season, when the vegetation is sparse and water scarce, is ideal for elephant watching as these gentle giants congregate around water sources. While on your expedition, you can expect to see these magnificent creatures in their most natural state, bathing in rivers, nurturing their young, or perhaps even engaging in playful behavior. Each encounter offers a unique glimpse into their world, revealing their complex social structures and fascinating behaviors. However, it's crucial to remember that these are wild animals in their natural habitat. Respect their space, observe from a distance, and under no circumstances should you attempt to feed or touch them. Travel with a reputable tour operator who prioritizes ethical wildlife practices, ensuring a positive experience for you and the elephants. Above all, be prepared to be awed by the sheer size, intelligence, and grace of these gentle giants. Their presence, their movements, and their interactions are a testament to the wonders of nature. The African expedition is more than a trip. It's an immersion into the world of the gentle giants that roam its vast landscapes. There's nothing quite like the first encounter with an elephant. Their towering presence, their wise eyes reflecting years of existence in the wild. Imagine standing mere feet away from one of these majestic beings. Their sheer size is humbling, their gentle nature captivating. One such encounter comes to mind when a young calf, barely a few months old, curiously approached our vehicle. Its innocence and curiosity, a stark contrast to the protective vigilance of the matriarch who kept a watchful eye from the distance. Elephants are known for their intricate social structures. They live in close-knit matriarchal groups where the oldest female leads with wisdom collected over decades. Their intelligence is remarkable, often displayed through complex problem-solving and empathetic behaviors. It's a mesmerizing spectacle to witness, a testament to the depths of their emotional and intellectual capacity. However, the survival of these magnificent creatures is under threat. Poaching for ivory and rapid habitat loss due to human encroachment cast a dark shadow over their existence. The statistics are alarming and they necessitate urgent action. Yet hope is not lost. Conservation efforts are underway across Africa. From anti-poaching patrols to community education programs, these initiatives aim to ensure the safety and survival of elephants for future generations to marvel at. An encounter with an elephant is not just a thrilling experience, but also a reminder of our responsibility to protect these magnificent creatures. As the sun sets on the African horizon, the journey may end, but the story of the elephants continues. We've traversed the vast plains, delved into the heart of the Sabi Sands, and beheld the gentle giants of Africa in their natural home. Every step, every moment has been a testament to the majesty of these incredible creatures. Yet, our expedition is not merely an adventure, it's a story. A narrative of coexistence and respect. It's a plea for understanding. A call to protect these magnificent beings. To preserve the wild spaces they call home. Every elephant we've encountered, every herd we've sighted, underscores the importance of our mission. To ensure that their story continues. Remember, True adventure lies not just in the journey, but in the impact we leave behind. Let's respect, protect, and cherish these majestic giants and their habitat. Every journey tells a story, and this one is about the majestic elephants of Africa, a tale that continues to unfold in the heart of the wilderness.